only to 4 atoms. All right. So, first atomic theory. Philosopher, Greek, back before Christ, Democritus. Then came another D word. Dalton, yes. And then J.J. Thomson came along with his cathode ray tube, and he says, uh-oh, we got negatively charged particles in there. He thought they were jammed in there like blueberries in a... Yes, but then came along Rutherford, right? And Rutherford shot at what kind of foil? Gold foil, and then most of the particles went right on through with his alpha particles, so he concluded most of an atom is empty space. Actually, if we were to look at it, it'd be like a marble in a... Yes, and there are 3 subatomic particles, right? Yes, what are they? They are...
Electrons, protons, and...
neutrons, yes. Which one defines the element?
Electrons.
Protons. The protons do. Now, it will always have the same number of electrons as protons if it's neutral. Why? Because they both have charges. The protons are positives, the electrons are negatives, right? And so they cancel each other out. Anytime you take an electron away, you're going to end up with a positively charged particle that we call an...
Ion.
Ion, yes. Isotopes are when we change the number of neutrons. Okay, anytime that atom takes in an extra electron, it has one more electron than protons, then it becomes a negative. Josie, say ion. Ion, yes. Okay, so those are the 3 you got to know about, and isotopes are when we change the number of neutrons in there. Like we got 3 isotopes of carbon. We got carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. That's because we just keep jamming neutrons in there. Now, at some point, does that make the atom unstable?
Yeah.
Carbon 14 is radioactive. It is unstable. The nucleus is unstable, and it'll throw out, what does it throw out? It throws out a beta particle and transmutates from carbon 14 to nitrogen. What do you think of that? Nitrogen. All right, modern atomic theory, you know we didn't spend much time on it because it's into orbitals, but we did talk about Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr, a Danish chemist, and what did he give us? He said these electrons aren't just flying around out there willy-nilly, they are in energy levels. And how many go in the first energy level? 2. And how many in the next? 8. And all these elements are trying to get to 8 electrons in their outer energy level because it makes them more... All right, more...